Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the wall closely to find bubbles, runs, thin spots, and texture inconsistencies. This tells you whether to sand, fill, or prime. Next, remove loose paint with a scraper and lightly sand edges. Make sure to feather the damaged area so repairs blend. Clean the surface thoroughly with a damp cloth and let it dry. Once done, fill dents and gouges with putty, scrape smooth, and sand the repair flush so the next layers adhere uniformly. Now focus on the middle work. Apply spackle or joint compound into cracks and holes, press firmly, and remove excess. Allow recommended curing time, then sand with 120-220 grit until seamless. Wipe dust with a tack cloth to ensure good adhesion. Apply a stain-blocking primer over repairs and any patched edges, extending primer 6 to 12 inches beyond the repair to avoid visible seams. Make sure to prime glossy or heavily stained spots, so top coat hides imperfections. Finish by applying the top coat with the correct roller nap for your wall texture. Use long, even passes and maintain a wet edge to prevent lap marks. Apply 2 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat. Let the paint dry fully and, if necessary, sand lightly with 220 grit between coats to remove tiny imperfections. If you still see patchy sheen or visible repair lines, reprime the affected area and repaint the entire wall section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.